back to my channel. My name is Dee Dee Crafts. My life is a crafters. Hello spring to all my crafters out there. I hope you have a great spring so far. Hopefully you get out there and do your spring cleaning. Also do your spring shopping and spring decor and spring decorating. It's going to be fun. I love spring. Spring is my favorite time of the year and I love it. Besides summer, only when it doesn't get too hot outside, but I love it anyway. So this video is all about my YouTube channel, my description of this channel, to get you guys excited about my channel. I want to tell you some things why people are not subscribing to my channel. Probably one of the things they're not subscribing to my channel. They're probably confused about my channel. My name is Dee Dee Crafts. My life is a craft artist. This is a crafting channel, but I want to get people more excited about my channel. So I hope you stay tuned for the whole video. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comment down below what do you want to see in these videos to make my video channel more better, or videos just in general. Thanks for watching. Let's get started on Dee Dee Crafts description of her channel. First things first, my amazing craft artists. A lot of people are probably confused about my channel. Yes, I am a crafting channel. My name is Dee Dee Crafts. I love doing crafting, but I do more than that. I do a lot more than that on my channel. So I thought to myself, let's do a description of my channel so people can come back and watch my videos on my channel and get excited about Dee Dee Crafts. My life as a craft artist. So I came up with the name of Dee Dee Crafts because of my name is Dee Dee. My nickname is Dee Dee, but it's fun. I'll do that in another video all about my name, why I need my name. This name on this channel, but we're talking about description of this channel, so let's get back into that. So a lot of people don't realize that I love other things besides crafting. I love scrapbooking, I love art, I love DIYs, I love crafting, I love doing YouTube hauls, I love craft hauls, all those kind of videos. I love doing cash stuffing, I love all that stuff. So I want to talk to you about why I'm doing more than just one thing in this channel, and I hope you like it, everything I'm saying today. Subscribe my channel as a variety channel. I do a variety of things. I do crafts. I love crafts. I haven't done a lot of crafting on this channel. As you can see, there's a lot of videos, mostly hauls, but I love crafting. I love paper crafting. I love using stamps and using glues and glitters and all kinds of cool things to craft. I love that. I love making things, out of wood, out of metal, out of felt. I love felt. I love felt a lot. I do a lot of felt videos on this channel. I do love painting wood. I have wood things on this channel. I love buying things from Dollar Tree and the little crafting section. I love that so much. And I do love doing DIYs. Love DIYs. I love doing things to make my room, make my crafting and scrapbooking process more fun. So DIYs are fun, like making things from scratch, like cutting the wood or getting plastic or getting felt and making something for yourself. I love that so much, you guys. And also I love scrapbooking. Scrapbooking is a fun, exciting way. I've just got into scrapbooking probably about 10 years ago, maybe. Yeah, 10, 15 years ago. I saw a lot of YouTubers making things with scrapbooking paper. I love the paper. So beautiful. The paper is wonderful, isn't it, you guys? I just love the scrapbooking paper. And I'm not good at scrapbooking yet. I'm not good at crafting yet. I'm not even good at drawing. And yes, I do love drawing as well. So that's why I said this is a writing channel. I love drawing. I do sketch artist writings. I'm doing a whole video about that very soon. Why I do that as on my channel. And I love drawing and creating things. I love making things out of paper and drawing things, my own artwork. I'm trying to make my own OCs, my original characters. I can't believe I didn't know what that was for a long time. OCs. But I know what it means now. I know what it means now. So it's OC. So I thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. And I also love I love more crafting videos. I want to do way more crafting videos on this channel because I thought to myself, this is a crafting channel. That's what my name is. Dee Dee Crafts. I said that several times in this video. My name is Dee Dee Crafts. So I should be doing more crafting. That's why people are getting confused by this channel. I don't do enough crafting. And I also want to do more and more scrapbooking videos because I love scrapbooking. I love the stamps. Gorgeous girls. I love those stamps. I'm collecting those. I love prima doll stamps. I love anything with stamps involved. You can buy stamps anywhere. Also, you can buy them on, online. I love them. You can make your own stamps. I'm trying to make my own stamps from my own small business. It's going to be so cool. So excited for that. And also, I want to do more and more art videos. I am an artist. That's why I call myself a craft artist. I love art. I love crafting and I love drawing things. I love drawing my own characters, my own little things. I'm still not the best artist and not the best crafter or the best scrapbooker, but that's okay. We're going to work on that to get better. I gave up on this channel a long time ago. We're going to work on this channel to make it better. So hope you guys will enjoy this video. I'm so excited for telling you the description of this channel so you can come back and say, Danielle or Dee Dee, I love your channel. Your channel's great. This channel, I'll be doing more planner videos. I love buying planners like a Five Below, Dollar Tree, Walmart, Target. They have really good planners. You can buy them online. I love doing that. I love decorating my planner. I love putting stickers and all kinds of cool things on my planner. I love it so much. So that's coming up very soon. Also, before I let you guys go, I have been doing crafty studio vlogs. I love those. I did 8 so far. I'm working on some more right now. So hopefully you enjoyed that video. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you in another YouTube video on this channel. And don't forget to click the notifications up there and click down there and leave us a comment. Thank you so much and have a great day, you guys. Keep crafting no matter what. What?